Do you love everything travel and want to make money from it? So in today's video, I'll be showing you 6 lucrative business ideas in the travel industry that you can do from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a beginner or looking to turn your passion into income, there is something for you. So if you're ready to make money in the travel industry, let's dive right into it. Number 1 on my list is the flight booking and ticketing agent. So here you help people to find the best flight deals and book their tickets, right? For this one, you use platforms like Workanow, you use TravelStart, you also use global platforms like Skyscanner, Booking.com, Trip.com, and so many others as well. It's a very easy business for you to start. You can start with your family members, your friends, your church members. Since you're just starting out, you can decide to offer free service maybe to 1 or 2 people so that you can get reviews. Number 2 on my list is visa assistant and travel document services. So in this business, you help clients to process their visa applications, prepare their documents, and also help them schedule embassy appointments and offer guidance, just the way we see some people doing it on social media. So number 3 on my list is itinerary planning service. This business, you offer a personalized travel planning for individuals, either on vacations, either for business. Itinerary planning has to do with the breakdown of schedule. We help them to break down their activity. The goal is to make sure that they meet their target time for whatever they want to do. There are 2 ways you can do this particular business. 1, you can offer a one-time service, that is to just plan their itinerary and hand it over to them. Then 2, you can offer a continuous service, that is after planning their itinerary, you still need to relate with them. They still need your service, they still need you to be communicating with them, to be reminding them of other things, following up. Number 4 on my list is accommodation booking service. So in this business, you help clients to book budget-friendly or luxury accommodation. We have different type of accommodations. We have hotels, we have the guest inn, we have the Airbnb, we have the bed and breakfast, we have hostel staying. It depends on the one your client wants. Number 5 on my list is country reviews and travel blogging. That country review, you don't even need to travel to those countries before you know about them. You can just do your research online and talk about this country. And for travel blogging, if you do not have the money to travel from one country to another, you can equally be in your country and make this kind of content. Do you get? But then if you can afford to travel, fine. If you can't, you can stay in your country and do that. For this travel blogging especially, you do not even need to travel abroad to start this. If you're in Nigeria, living in Nigeria, and you do not have money to travel abroad or travel to other African countries, you can start this right in your country. All you have to do is travel from one state to another. Show us. See, the fact that I'm in Nigeria does not mean that I've traveled all around Nigeria. There are so many states that I've not visited, and if you visit these states and show us how this state look like and tell us about the state, these are things that we'll be very happy to. You can just start by visiting some states or some cities, tell us about them, show us the cities. It's a gradual process. You do not need to be an international travel blogger. Start from where you are and with what you have. If you're doing country review, it's all about research about the country, how much it costs to reside in the country, what are their visa processes like, what are the religions in the country, their currency, their languages, the good side of the country, the bad side, the lifestyle, the food, the kind of food, and so many things. Number 6 and the last on my list is travel content creator. Do travel videos, destination videos, give travel tips, it's all about travel. So just like the way this Aina guy and other people are doing it, it's just the way you're going to do it. But there's one thing I want to tell you about this now. Some of you will be like, oh, I don't have money to travel abroad or to be traveling like Aina or some other people that are doing it. You can't do like that if you're starting, because you do not have the money to fund that kind of lifestyle yet. I would advise that you start with what you have. For instance, if I want to start this as a Nigerian living in Nigeria, I know that I cannot fund that type of travel content creator yet. I will start from my location. There are so many places in Lagos that I've not been to. Do you get? I will just travel to those places, or I'll just go to those places, make a video of them, post and show people, talk about it. So you do not need to say, oh, because I cannot travel like Aina and the rest of them, so this is not for me. No, you can even do it. Any city you are, that city you are, not everybody knows about that city or have seen much about that city. So you show us your city, talk about your city, the cultures, everything there. Do you get? And put it up. Trust me, people are going to appreciate this kind of information, and before you know it, you're going to be building a community around it. And by the time you know it, you start getting small partnerships, small endorsements and all of that, and that is how someone start growing. So how do you make money from these travel business ideas? The majority way you make money from this is one, through affiliates. Those platforms that you need to use, the hotels.ng, like hotel.com, trip.com, all those booking platforms, you need to sign up as an affiliate. So number two is through partnership. Check for that visa assistant. If you're doing that kind of service, you need to partner with an agency that is already doing well in that particular business. So you make your money through commission or by also adding something on the total package. And for other services, especially for the itinerary planning, that one you and the customer need to negotiate. You give the customer your rate card. Like I said, you can run it two ways. You can do a one-time service for that, or you can do a continuous virtual assistant service for that. So you have your rate card, you send to the customer. If they are okay with whichever one, they book, make their payments, and you offer this service to them. Number three way you make money from this is through brand sponsorship. When you promote a brand, for instance, if you get approached by Wakana or Travel Stats to do a promotion for them on a certain service or deal. Okay, and another way you make money from all of this, since everything about this thing you're going to be putting them on social media, is through monetization. Whether you're putting it up on TikTok or on YouTube, once you get monetized, you start earning money from the content you're putting up on this platform. So guys, that is it about this video, and I hope you find value. So don't forget to subscribe and stay notified so you get to know whenever I post interesting videos like this. And do not always forget to share. Do not forget to share my videos, because I know that there are a lot of people that are actually paying for courses on this, right, that you can share this with, and they will get great value and even get started. So thank you for sticking to the end. See you in my next video.